Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my new dies from the In Love art shop. Here are the 4 different sets of dies that I have chosen this time around. I have a discount code I can leave below as well as the links to these products, and I'm excited to get in and play with them. Here we have an envelope die, just an interesting circular shape, a nesting heart-shaped dies, which I really like all of the intricate details that they have on them. And this is a fun butterfly box, so some exciting things to create with. Okay, so I'm back with a project. So I took this one envelope die and I made this little memory decks. So what I did was I used a memory decks I have from Echo Park just to create the base shape for the memory decks card. You could use the Heidi Swap Punch if you have that, or whatnot. So I just decorated. I love the little design and everything. The fact that you use double-side paper really helps have a nice design on both sides like that there. And then I just decorated this across with some fun little ephemera and things. So inside this little envelope, I'm going to stick a little tea and a chocolate, as well as a little tag and this fun little wooden piece. There you go. A little thinking of you. And then one more piece that I made with this center. So the center for this die here, you can see that I cut out that one heart-shaped circle, and then I used the circle from the inside of this to back it, and I just added some fun little stickers and sparkles and stuff to create this little embellishment that's fairly flat and could be used in a little scrapbook page or something. So we have a nice little pocket gift to give there. And then the next gift that I have created is this fun little embellishment. So I used this die to create the base, and you can almost barely even see. I've got a circle underneath here that's got the wood grain pattern, and all the hearts are all the way around. I've layered it up so much. I used this heart-shaped die. You can just barely see some of the remnants for that heart that's tucked in under there. There's so much layering here. And I came in, this is all from Echo Park, some nice pretty fall collections. So it's just a really cute way to create a pretty embellishment piece using all of these different dies from In Love Art Shop.